In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your income to Cashew Expense Budget Tracker app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I'll start from the home screen. So from here, open up your Cashew Expense Budget Tracker app. Now, once we're here on the home page, make sure to sign in. Then we want to click on that little plus icon. So click on that plus icon. Now you want to go ahead and enter a title for this. So I'm just going to call this, for this demonstration, work job. Now I'm going to select the category. So now this is going to be an income. So I'm going to make sure I'm going to click the income tab. And now I've already got a category placed inside of here. So this is called income. To create a category, click on the plus icon. And you can give this category name. We can choose the main category, subcategory, and also give it a color code, but I've already done this. Now I'm going to choose income. Now choose what your wage is or your income. So say for this demonstration, it's 3,500. Now I'm going to go ahead and add transaction. And now once we've done that, we're going to be taken to the home page and you can see your net worth will change by adding in your income.